Welcome to this tutorial on how to send money with Zelle through US Bank. Zelle is a fast and easy way to send money to friends, family, and others you trust. To get started, you will need to have a US Bank account and be enrolled in online banking or have the US Bank mobile app. First, you will need to enroll in Zelle through the US Bank online banking platform or mobile app. To do this, log into your account and navigate to the Payments or Transfers section. Click on the Zelle option and follow the prompts to enroll. You will need to provide your email address or mobile phone number to receive a verification code. Once you are enrolled in Zelle, you can start sending money. To send money, log into your US Bank account and navigate to the Zelle section. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number, the amount you want to send, and an optional message. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Then click Send. The recipient will receive a notification that they have received a payment, and the money will be deposited into their account within minutes. If the recipient is not enrolled in Zelle, they will receive an email or text message with instructions on how to enroll and claim their payment. It is essential to only send money to people you trust, as transactions are typically irreversible. Also, be aware of the daily and monthly sending limits, which can be found in the US Bank online banking platform or mobile app. To receive money with Zelle, you will need to have your email address or mobile phone number registered with Zelle. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification, and the funds will be deposited into your account automatically. In conclusion, sending money with Zelle through US Bank is a convenient and easy process. By following these steps, you can quickly and securely send money to friends, family, and others you trust. Remember to always send money to people you trust and be aware of the sending limits to avoid any issues.